Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning. Today our topic is adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. Adjectives usually describes nouns. Now have a look at this sentence. I found a worm in my plant pot. So here the word worm is a noun. And now we are going to add few words which describes the worm. That is wiggly worm, or you can say orange worm, or you can say spiral worm. Looking at the worm, you can add more adjectives or place before the noun. Let's have a look at some more examples. There was a fly in the bathroom. So if I have to add an adjective to this, what could be an adjective? Can you guess from your side? Well done. But I ended up with something else. There was a huge fly in the bathroom. So the word huge, it talks about the fly, how it looks huge or scary or hairy. It describes the fly. Fly is a noun and huge is a word that describes the fly. Let's have a look at another example. A snail was in my kitchen. Now, if you have to add adjective to this sentence, what will be your adjective? Well done. But I will add a sticky snail was in my kitchen. So a sticky, it describes the snail, how it looks. It's sticky or it's slow. Something which describes the snail is an adjective. Here snail is noun. Also, you can notice that usually the adjectives comes before the nouns. I found a worm on a leaf. Now this is my sentence. Here, can you add an adjective? Well done. I found a big worm on a leaf. Here, the worm is a noun and big is an adjective which describes the noun. You can even say a big green worm or a big green wiggly worm. So these big, green, wiggly, these are all the words that describes the noun worm. So these are all adjectives. A butterfly flew into my garden. Can you describe the adjective here for butterfly? Well done. A blue butterfly flew into my garden. Excellent. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. You can subscribe to my channel to receive more educational videos. Also visit my website www.friendforlearning.com to gain access to various educational resources. Thanks for watching and stay safe.